Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect automatic transfer switch in state wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Energy meter, double pole MCB circuit breaker 1, double pole MCB circuit breaker 2, power generator, changeover switch, house load, neutral connection input to energy meter, phase connection input to energy meter, phase connection from energy meter to connect double pole MCB circuit breaker 1, neutral connection from energy meter to connect double pole MCB circuit breaker 1, phase connection from DP MCB 1 to connect changeover, neutral connection from double pole MCB 1 to connect changeover, neutral connection from generator to double pole MCB 2, phase connection from generator to double pole MCB 2, neutral connection from double pole MCB 2 to changeover, phase connection from double pole MCB 2 to connect changeover. In generator and grid line, output line short in changeover, neutral line short in changeover, phase connection to home load, neutral connection to home load. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.